It's not absolutely not every day we inaugurate a new store in a new city, and today is one of these magic days when we do that all together.
So we are hours away from opening our first store in Pune. Congratulations to all of you. This is a cumulative result of all our efforts together.
And here, we are really looking at Pune as being the anchor for IKEA India when it comes to the distribution center and what Pune can offer to IKEA in terms of our expansion capabilities.
You're a fantastic team. We did already fantastic numbers.
Pune welcomes you with pride and optimism. Together we look forward to build a future.
I'm super excited about the possibilities. That IKEA India has to offer.
It is innovative, equitable and truly world-class.
So exciting. I have bubbles all over the stomach. Positive, happy bubbles. I don't think anything can go wrong. Everything can just go up. So very excited. Pune will get full access to the beautiful IKEA offer. And please walk around the store later on, look at all the inspiration.
I'm super excited today to be here, to be in this vibrant city of Pune.
And almost now, you are about to open a fantastic store in Pune.
Congratulations to IKEA on this important milestone.
It all starts at home.